Good morning, my all dear friends. I am Samidul, and you are watching your most favorite channel, your own channel, Dakchhe Sobuj Dakchhe Oi. Calling greens, calling there. Today I have come up again with a new episode, and in this episode we are going to show you two exotic rare variety fruit plants. A few days ago, I placed an order to All Plant Nursery of Kolkata, the proprietor of which is Mr. Tajuddin Mondol, of two exotic rare variety fruit plants. One is Australian finger lemon, another is variegated Malta. I have already one variegated Malta plant in my rooftop garden of our channel Dakchhe Sobuj Dakchhe Oi. But that plant is not growing sufficiently and satisfactorily. That is why, without wasting any time, I have tried to place another plant in our rooftop garden of variegated Malta. It's a beautiful plant. Its leaves are beautiful to look at. The color of the leaves are mostly green and whitely variegated. And it looks so beautiful that anyone may presume it as Patawar plant. And the fruits of this variegated Malta plant are also like the leaves of these plants. And the fruits are very sweet and juicy. That is why I have tried to plant this plant in my rooftop garden to get the fruit from it and to increase the beauty of my rooftop garden as well. Now these two plants have been sent through courier from All Plant Nursery of Kolkata, and it has reached to my house today. And the package in which these two plants have been sent to me, I will show you that package, and from that views you will be able to gain an experience in respect of the packaging system of this nursery. I don't know how much fresh and how much live and how much healthy plants have been sent by this All Plant Nursery. After unboxing this package, that will be clearer. This is for the first time when I am getting these plants, that is exotic rare variety plants from this nursery. Previously, I never placed any order for any exotic rare variety plants from this nursery. This is my first experience, and that is why I am trying to share this experience with you also. Now let us unbox this package and let us see in what condition these plants have been able to reach to my house. Before that, I am showing you the packaging system of this All Plant Nursery. This is the package. I am showing you in closer. This is the top side and this is the bottom side, and one window has been made so that the plants within it does not suffer from any air suffocation. And this is the scientific method of packaging, as you know well. Now let's unbox this package. We will cut up the package from top to bottom with the help of a knife and take out the plants from inside. Therefore, I am cutting down the package. Inside the package, the plants are lying like this. A stick has been affixed with the stem of these two plants so that on the way, that is at the time of journey, this plant may not sustain any injury. This is the wooden stick. I will cut out this wooden stick. This is the variegated Malta plant. This is the condition of the plant. It is a grafted plant. This is the grafting portion. By crossing over the journey of about 70 to 75 kilometers, it has sustained some journey shock. From the leaves, it is being cleared. But if it is taken care of, it will be live again and it will become fresh, obviously. And this is the Australian finger lemon. This is a precious plant. These are the leaves of plant. It is comparatively better in respect of its health and more fresh and more live. The journey shock which has been sustained by this plant is comparatively less in comparison to this variegated Malta plant. So these are two plants. These two plants have reached to me today. So this was our today's episode. If this episode makes you feel good and if it inspires you in respect of collecting any exotic rare variety plant from any nursery through courier service, then that will be the success of this channel and also of this episode. If this episode is being loved by you, please do like, share and make comment much more. And those who have already subscribed to our channel, we are thankful to them all. And those who have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe our channel by click on the notification bell on the right side, so that in future as soon as we will upload any short, educative, such type of informative videos, that will reach to you very fast. Now we are closing this episode today. Stay well, stay safe. Namaste.